Hello friend, welcome to Android Chess. This is Golden Thumb. In the last video, we disabled the listen button after we press it, right? So we cannot click it again because it crashes the app. So in this video, let's try to re-enable it after we press the reset button, okay? So for now, we cannot. Yeah, we just reset the pieces. So let's add the code in the reset button, right? So we can do listen button dot is enabled equals true, right? We enabled it, and now let's give it a try. Run it. Listen. Oh, listen. Okay. Reset. Yeah, re-enabled. But we cannot click it again because we haven't closed the socket server, the server socket yet. If we click that, we'll get the same problem. Like address already in use. Let's try it. Listen again. Yeah. Right? Address already in use. Address already is because we already have a socket, a server socket listening on the port. Okay, so how do we close the server socket? Easy. We just need to call server socket dot close. But now this guy is here. We cannot close it in the reset button. So we need to move out this one to make it an instance variable. Okay, here. So let's create one, private var and server socket, right? Its data type is server socket question mark, right? This guy like that. So here we can remove this one. Oh, this guy, server socket equals that. Okay, so the socket here will be question mark and question mark, right? Oh, so it means we need to add question mark here, right? Everywhere. Nope. So we want to make sure, right? When it's not actually we can use a socket is that we can do something like that, right? So if this one is nil now, it's not now, okay? So we can do something like that. Dot let. So here is server socket, right? Like that. So we can assign our server socket equals server socket. Yeah. Then we can move back those two things here. then ServerSocket equals is that okay? Yeah. So now everyone is happy, and we can close it here. Reset. Yeah. So we can close the ServerSocket here. Dot close like that. Right? Yeah. It compiles. Now let's try it again and run it. So we can re-enable the listen button whatever times we like, right? So let's see. It will never crash, hopefully. So go here, listen, yes, reset. Oh, it crashes. What happened here? Oh, is this guy. Socket closed. Okay. This is a normal response, so it's good. It's good. It means it works. And we'll catch this. We'll catch this problem here. So what we can do is add a try here and catch what? This is what is the yeah, it's a socket exception. Okay, so we can catch that and ignore it, right? Ignore it. It's okay because we just close the socket by ourselves. So what does it complain? Yeah, we haven't put our code there. Try that. What's wrong with this one? Specify type explicitly. Oh, it's the other way. E, right? So socket like that, and let's import that one. Option, enter. Yeah. Socket closed. Okay. Now let's try it again. Run it. And clear. Let's go here. Listen. Reset. Listen. Okay, you see? It works. Listen again. Okay, now let's bring up our client to test it, okay? But we need to enable the socket server on the emulator. It's kind of painful, but we need to do that. So we need to get our emulator. It's in our home. Emulator authentication token. Yeah, we need that. Then we need to check our actually we already know the port number is 5554 for the Android emulator console, but let me show you how to get it. Library Android, okay, and SDK platform tools and ADB, Android debug bridge, now devices. Yeah, so it's this guy, right? This is our emulator. So we can tell net 5554 to talk with the Android localhost, sorry, telnet localhost to talk with the emulator console. Okay, so authent, well, it's my, yeah, this guy. Let me make a copy of that, copy and paste. Yeah, it's okay. Now we can check redirection list, right? There's nothing there. Now let's create the redirection, and here is the protocol TCP. This is the host port we are listening to, right? To the external. This is open to external world. Then here is the internal guest port, like that. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. We needed to do redirect add. Okay, TCP 50,001. Yeah, now if we do list, we can see, yeah, this redirection. Okay, now, okay, so if you get the sticky behavior, you can double click. Yeah, that's what I found, how to get rid of that. Let's bring up our client to test this socket server on Android emulator. So our chess on iOS. Okay, run it. Let's try to connect to this guy. Okay, connect. Can we make a move here? Yes, it works, you see? Okay, now what if we reset and reset and listen again and connect again? So this time let's make a move from here. Yes, you see, we fixed the problem, right? Now the game server, no, the socket server, sorry about that, it's socket server, not the game server. We don't have a game server. Yeah, they are just peers. This is the communication socket server, ServerSocket. Okay, and reset again. Reset. Yeah, it always works. Listen, connect. Right? Move it, make a move. Yes. Cool, right? That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.